Hey guys, alright, so today I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Actually, not a giveaway, it's a freebie, right? I'm giving you guys some free stuff. Who doesn't like free stuff? Okay. Anyway, this is a shoe, a Nike shoe that I 3D scanned using photogrammetry techniques. So if you guys actually want to learn how to do this, if you want to learn how to create your own 3D objects that are reconstructed from taking a bunch of photos, look in the comment section either for the top comment or one of my comments over there. You'll see that I'll link you directly to my documentation, and that documentation is free, so you guys can go ahead and learn how I actually did this. It's actually a really interesting and quite a fun process to do. So yeah, this is a Nike shoe. It's actually my dad's shoe that I decided to scan. I'd say it's a pretty basic looking Nike shoe, but still I thought I'd just give the community something that they can use. So you can either use it in an environmental scene, maybe it's some shoes on the floor, maybe you've got a character and you want to give him some shoes, give him or her some shoes. We'll keep the shoe unisex for now, so you can do whatever you want with the shoe. That's completely up to you guys. Check the description or the top comment for a download link to the shoe. And the next important thing that I just want to mention, when you guys unzip the folder, you're going to see these files in here. Some promo images, a readme file that you can have a look at, but the most important thing is the high and the low. So the high is basically the raw scan shoe. If I go in here, you'll see we still got the diffuse in here, which is this UV map is really insane and pretty crazy and all over the place, because this is how it spits out the textures for the objects that get reconstructed. But I included the high, and that contains all of the raw scan data. And then there's a more optimized low poly, which is also technically still a raw object, because I haven't done any cleanup on these shoes. I just projected the high onto the low. So this is a more optimized low, and you'll see that there's a normal map and a roughness map, and then the diffuse as well. So if I was loading this into, let's say, Cinema 4D, I'll just drag in my low. Right, you'll see that it got split down the center over there. Alright, as you can see, it's not true low poly, but it is more optimized and it is in quads. Then I'm using Octane render, so I'll go ahead and create an Octane material. Okay, so here's my Octane material. Double click on that, my diffuse. I'm going to just put an image texture. Let's drag my diffuse over there. I'm also going to put this on glossy because I've got a roughness map. I go to image texture, drag on the roughness. Oops. I'm going to drag on that roughness. Actually, what I should have done there, clear that, create an image texture, go into that, and then drag my roughness over there. And then there's a normal map, which is really important because that has all of the high-res information baked down into a normal map for you guys to use. So once that's done, drag that on there, drag that on there. Now if I open up Octane, there we go, and it's good to go. You'll see if I maybe drag a light into the scene, so object and area light. Here we go, we've got our shoe in here ready to use. So you guys can decide how you want to go ahead and use the shoe. It's free, and yeah, it was reconstructed from a bunch of photographs. It's fully textured, and there's the high and then a more optimized low poly that you guys can use. Alright, again, I didn't do any cleanup to these shoes, guys, so it's still going to be raw. So if you want to, you could take it into ZBrush and maybe or whatever program you're using, Blender, and maybe there's some areas that you want to clean up. You guys can do that. It's completely up to you. So yeah, check the description or the top comment for the download link and enjoy the shoe. And yeah, as always guys, stay tuned for some more tutorials and resources, and as always, thank you so much for the support, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.